Come on, you. No, you gotta get a block. I'm gonna get a block.
This is my fourth year of doing the Playful Engineers Traveling Makerspace programs. The most popular one being called Chain Reactions and Creative Contraptions, where kids just build chain reactions. But all of the programs involve hands-on activities where the kids are doing most of the work themselves. What I consider to be one of the most valuable parts of the program is what's known as formative assessment rather than summative assessment. The kids are, through trial and error and through working at their own pace, they are constantly assessing their own progress through failure, through success, and failure and success. As the adage goes, practice makes progress, and they're continuing to make progress and acknowledging their failures while their growth mindset allows them to continue on towards more understanding and a higher skill level of what they're working at. It doesn't really matter the age or the ability or the aptitude of any participant, that this kind of work brings out the mechanical genius in everybody. And it's a real pleasure to see such total engagement, because what we're missing is play, and especially the idea that people can play together in a non-competitive way really juices me up, because when I see everybody building, it doesn't matter whether or not they're successful in the completion of what they're working at, but whether or not they are finding satisfaction and joy and fun in the activity that they're doing, and learning is happening no matter what.